Welcome everyone to our truly fascinating postcard construction channel, where we explore creative projects and today's exciting episode. Today is December 30th, and we're back here at our construction site, bringing you more updates on our project in Brust. It's been quite a significant while since we last reported, and I took a much-needed break, primarily because of the persistent heavy rain, the unexpected accumulating snow, and the really truly cold and biting weather conditions. However, our postcard team didn't stop for a single day, except on Christmas Day. So, we're back here today to bring you the updates. There have been quite a few updates so far. We're going to show you each one. So let's go. Come on, see.
Out here, we don't have many updates to show because of the rain, cold, and snow. So we focused on the interior finishes instead. However, we did build the retaining wall here. The wall was necessary because we had a pretty tall embankment. So to prevent a future collapse, this wall was designed. And to avoid building a wall that's too tall, it was designed to be done in 2 phases, on 2 levels. And in the future, there will be a lit garden between the 2 walls, giving the entrance to the house a really beautiful look.
The next step now in this finishing process is the painting step. So the paint will completely hide these joints even more, and therefore give it a truly perfect, flawless finish.
This is the kitchen area and the breakfast nook. And just like the rest of the house, here too we're putting in hardwood flooring. So installation has started here in the kitchen. And during the week, for sure, the entire lower floor will have the flooring finished. After that, what comes next is sanding and applying the stain. And then this part of the flooring is done. Now we're going to head upstairs and show the upper floor, what's being done there in the bathrooms. We're here on the upper floor now. On the upper floor, we have the laundry, the bedrooms, and the office. The finish here is plaster over drywall. There are 2 types of wall finishes, which are tape and plaster. Here, we specifically chose this particular finish, which is called plaster, because it is indeed a much smoother finish, and it also gives a significantly more refined and elegant look. So this particular finish was carefully chosen for all of the bedrooms, and the very next crucial step here will be applying the essential primer, and then of course the final coat of paint. And then the walls on the upper floor will be finished. This is the guest bathroom, so we've already started installing the tiles. The very next crucial step in this renovation project will be the careful installation of the new sink cabinets and subsequently the essential toilet fixture. This is indeed the spacious bathroom of our luxurious master suite. Our team is diligently working on the meticulous ceramic finishing work. We're going to show you the details here. And we finally arrived at the basement. The basement is an area that usually gets overlooked, since it's just the house's storage space. Here, we decided to invest a bit more and turn this area into a family entertainment space. Whoever buys the house will have a gaming room, a fully equipped bar, cabinets, a sink, a counter, and a bathroom. So we have a better finish here. The same finish used on the upper floor of the house, we applied here on the walls and ceiling, which is plastic. It will also have hardwood flooring, just like the floor installed upstairs. And that's it. That's the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining us on our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and gently hit that notification bell for all future updates and notifications. And we'll see you again next time.